Yes, the fall continues at the NGX. Today looks a little bit better, at least for now. It's down 0.20%, and we're continuing in that. And yes, we're going to bring that our analysts that predicted or projected that if the NGX drops below 100, we're going down. I don't know how down, but I hope we'll have the time to have him tell us. I'm looking at for the South Africa exchange, that's the Johannesburg exchange. It's however in the green, beg your pardon, 0.48 at 72, getting farther away from the 74 resistance point that it's been known for. It's now 72,551.13. For the EJX, that's of Egypt, it's positive also 0.64%, and Kenya closed yesterday in the red, 0.18%. That's for Wednesday's close, and they're still sustaining the 93 points which they had from Tuesday. So it's a second day of that. Now let's join Abdul Rashid Momo, or let's have Abdul Rashid Momo join us to tell us. He looks into his crystal ball and his graphs and tells us where the market is going. Mr. Momo, you're here again. Now we've gone below the 100. How low can we get at the NGX?
Okay, first let me bust your bubble. Oh. The market's not down. The market is actually up down. The market has rebounded and market is really on fire. Market has gained about 605 points today. So we are actually at about 99,871 now, from an intraday low of about 98,939. You know, basically what happened is when it dropped below, I was very curious about the 100,000 points. That 100,000 points was a very strong support level, and I knew if it broke, there was going to be an issue. But what you need to know is that I've studied market rally for a long time. We don't see 3 consecutive days drop in a market. It's always very difficult. Likely the 3rd day, we are going to see some form of buying into weakness, and that's what we have seen now. Most of the stocks, even traders like us, a lot of people have done a lot of intraday gains today, where you see stocks like Access Bank, Access Core, went as low as 16 naira 10 kobo today, but it's currently trading at 19 naira. So you can see the spread. It's even on full bid as we speak. A lot of the banks have actually turned around, you know, and as I say, the market is always the market. You cannot just in a day, some stocks have actually made 10% gain today alone. And we are likely to see some of these things spill into tomorrow before we are likely going to see another profit taking.
Okay, so
the most important that the 100,000 point stays. I feel markets are going to go into that safe zone tomorrow.
But
for how long it's going to stay, yeah. I can't predict for now.
So you see a positive close today?
Yeah, no, definitely. I don't see anything dropping the market because most of the indexes are actually in green as we speak.
And do you think these investors are moving to the fixed income space because of the attraction of the yield over there?
Yes, you see, one thing you need to know, everything has a price. Even when dollar was going up, right? People sold in strength. Everything has a trend, everything has a price. I mean, when last time you interviewed me on Access, I said when the MD died, you asked if it's going to impact on his stock. I said it's a strong brand, but unfortunately, when Albert passed on, he passed on when the market was actually making a correction. And the correction on Access was heavy. But as we speak now, Access is the most traded now on the floor of the exchange. So for every trend, for those people that means a trend, if you see opportunity, you take advantage of it. So it's just plain supply and demand. Yes, we know rates are high and everything, but if people see opportunity, they will take. When they see value in terms of pricing, they will always go back to the market.
All right. All right, Mr. Momo, thank you so much. We'll certainly follow up and hope that we regain our 100,000 points today and it's sustained. That's our prayer for the markets. All right, let's just